Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about introduction to ratios. So let's think, what do we know about ratios and where we have used ratios in real life. Okay, so actually ratios are a comparison of two numbers, and we separate the two numbers in ratio with a colon. Suppose we need to write the ratio of 8 and 12. We can write this as 8 to 12, or as a fraction 8 by 12, and we say the ratio is 8 to 12. So let's do this example question. Jane has a bag with 2 video cassettes, 4 marbles, 7 books, and 1 orange. What is the ratio of books to marbles? So we only need the ratios of books to marbles. So it is already given there are 4 marbles and there are 7 books. But we have books in the first case, so the number of books comes in the first place, and the column we have the 4 as the next number. So the ratio of books to marbles is 7 to 4. So let's move on to the next question. What is the ratio of video cassettes to the total number of items in the bag? So we need to know two values. One is the number of video cassettes and the total number of items in the bag. So we already know the number of video cassettes are 3, and we need to calculate the total number of items in the bag. So in order to do that, we have 3, add 4, add 7, and 1. So which would give us the total number of items in the bag. So 3 add 4 is 7, 7 add 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So now we are almost there. So we have the number of video cassettes, which is 3 to 15. So this is how we find ratios of these items. Okay, so let's move on to another example question. A bar of chocolates was divided into 12 pieces. Ramani ate 4 pieces and Dylan ate the remaining pieces. What is the ratio of the number of pieces of chocolates ate by Ramani to the number of pieces of chocolate ate by Dylan? So let's underline the important keywords first. So bar of chocolates into 12 pieces. Ramani ate 4 pieces. Dylan ate remaining pieces. Ratio of number of pieces ate by Ramani to the number of pieces of chocolates ate by Dylan. So we already know the number of pieces ate by Ramani, which is 4 pieces, but we do not know the number of pieces ate by Dylan. So in order to find the number of the pieces of chocolate eaten by Dylan, we need to take away the number of pieces eaten by Ramani from the total number of pieces. So which is 12 take away 4, and that gives you 8. So 8 is the pieces of chocolate eaten by Dylan. And now we are going to work out the final question, which is what is the ratio of the number of pieces of chocolates ate by Ramani to the number of pieces of chocolate ate by Dylan. So this fraction gives us the ratio. So you can either represent a ratio as a fraction or the ratio itself. So the top, which is the numerator, shows the number of pieces of chocolate that Ramani ate. So Ramani ate 4 pieces of chocolate, and the denominator is the number of pieces of chocolate that Dylan ate. So Dylan ate 8, which we found a while ago. So now we have the fraction 4 over 8. And if you notice the values 4 and 8, 4 can go into 4 and 8. So 4 goes into 4 one time and 4 goes into 8 two times. So we have simplified the fraction into 1/2. So this 1/2 can also be written as a ratio like 1 to 2. So this is how we work out questions related to ratio. So thank you for watching.